guys. Hey you guys, welcome. Today is December 2nd. Okay, so what I'm going to do is switch a little things up over here. I need more storage, right? We don't have a ton of cabinetry in the kitchen, and I need to utilize one of the cabinets for like containers and all that stuff. So it to go right here. We're gonna play around and get this together because this is like free vertical space that I can utilize, okay? Yay! Okay, so I found this cabinet at Home Sense. There's a Home Sense and a Home Goods here, which is really cool. This is by Thomasville. Okay, so this is how this cabinet is appearing. I have found one that had like a marble top and it was like an oval shape, but I feel like it was gonna be competing with my bar cart because I really don't want to move it. I need to declutter down here. Still stuff from Thanksgiving on there, but I think with the glass and it flown with the it's like a bronzy color, even though that's gold, but I feel like they play off each other. It may be a little cluttered with everything just lined up against this wall. So let's do some adjusting. Okay, so, and of course we only have this window here and then the sliding doors for my plants. And so that's why they're so corralled over there, but remove the picture. Okay, so just by removing the picture, it's not doing like so much. So what I'm going to do, what my plan is, I have a ton of dishes. Let me show you. Okay, so down here I had organized these plates, but I can utilize this cabinet for more things that's a little bit more important. So I'm gonna take my plates out and plan on trying to make them cute in that cabinet. You just put them on a white dish and just make you a little statement piece. Okay, so I managed to pull out my china that I have, and then I just have a few more. These are chargers, and then some more china dishes. A lot of this stuff I got when I was over in Germany from like the Crystal Factory. This one is like a Kate Spade, but this is like stuff from Walmart. I found these when we were down in Miami. Again, some more china, bone china. Just a classic white dish, you can never go wrong. And then these. So I'm gonna see how I can get it in here without looking too cluttered. So let's do this. That's a lot going on in there. I'm gonna have to rearrange it and get it to the way I like it. But anyways, we cleared out the cabinet. It's like a few more pieces. Can you hand me those? It's like some white chargers. I put some dishes on Facebook Marketplace. People are going crazy for these dishes that I'm trying to sell. Oh my goodness, there's so many people. I even marked it as pending and people are still writing, trying to buy them.
This need to be stopped. Yeah, man, merged R. Kelly and Puff Daddy together.
Yikes. That's terrible.
Oh man, they got time though.
Okay. Hello, y'all. This is our Saturday. I'm exhausted.
I got OnlyFans page, y'all. I'm just saying. If you want to see my OnlyFans page,
Jordan, get off my internet. Get off.
like, and subscribe.
Why would
just
you?
playing, I'm just like and subscribe.
Cut it off.
Makes me all day, every day.
Cut it off.
Woo! Hey man, come on, man. I
Jordan,
gotta get it. I gotta do what I gotta do.
Cut it off.
Hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? To get in where you fit in. Don't take no shorts, no losses.
Give me my phone.
Like and subscribe.
Cut it off.